Hey guys, we're doing an install on the Civic today, so stay tuned because we're about to do the unboxing. So this is what we're working with. It's going to be our fog lights for the Civic. And I've already opened it, but here's what we got. So we got both the fog lights and then all the wiring that we're going to need. So let's get started and take the bumper off. Okay, the bumper's off now, and this is exactly where the fog lights are gonna go. We need to drill this plastic piece out, cut it out somehow, and I'll figure that out. And then the hardware attaches right here to keep it in. Same with this side, and then we'll just have to wire it in and get the button all put in. So let's get to it. Hey guys, so it's a week later, and I ended up just putting them on myself. I had a little bit of help from Alexis, but it got way too dark and couldn't really see, so I couldn't film it. So I'm just going to show you what I did, and hopefully it'll be a good video for you for reference, because there's not very many videos or any reference, or actually even in the directions it doesn't show anything about how to do it. So I'm going to show you what I did and what works the best. So here we go. So here's with the bumper off. So what I did was, there's one harness that leads right here, and you clip it in to your left headlight. And then there's a long one that goes to your right, or not headlight, but your fog light. And then I ran it under the main bumper and under the headlight to right here. And it just goes into this fuse box, which I mounted on this bolt, and then put the ground on this bolt. And then you have to put your power on there. Just stuck it on in between the bolt, and then ran it up through here, under here, tucked it, and then went under the fender and ran it through. There's a grommet. I need to put the grommet back, but so it goes from here all the way into the car, and right there. So you want to get this first panel off down here. You just pull it, but not too hard, just enough, and it'll pop out. That's the bottom one. And for the button's right here. You just have to pull from down here, and that piece comes off, and you actually take it all the way off right here. Just pull at the bottom, not too hard because you don't want to break the clips, but it'll just come right off. So you get a little bit more space, and you push it through to get the old one out, and then you make sure to clip the wire. It'll come with this clip and the button, so you just run it through the bottom and out, clip it in before you stick the button, and you just push it through and it goes right in. And then the wire will come down right here. Let me pull it all out from the back. So I grounded it right here, and then I have the two. So it had a white wire, and I connected it to this thing I bought at AutoZone, where it's a fuse, and then you have two fuses. I got two 15s. Make sure you buy the fuses with the wire, because it doesn't come with it. And I just wired it right into that white wire that it comes with. And then I grounded the black wire beside it. And then the red that goes through the fender comes out behind the fuse box. I wired it to the other red wire. But you can just, I ended up smashing it to see if it would go together, but it didn't, so I had to cut and splice it. But all you gotta do is just put the two ends together and it will click in. And then you put it on number 37 up at the very top, the fuse, and that hooks it to whenever your radio turns on, it turns on. Make sure the fuses are in. And then every time you turn the switch on, you'll see this light up. You see the button lights up green. So, and then it'll turn off once you turn the accessories off. So that's how you wire it. That's the easiest way to wire it. So the white you splice into the fuse wire. Make sure to get two 15s and hook it into number 37. The red hooks to the red from the outside to the fog lights, the power, and then the black goes right to the ground over here. And it's that simple. There's not too many videos explaining how to do it. That's the easiest way I found to do it. And after you're all done, make sure you button it all up. And I took all the wire to the right and down, and it's out of the way. And then make sure on that grommet you close the grommet back up so water doesn't get back in the car. And then I'm sorry for the leaves too, but it's fall and they're everywhere now. So, and every time they come on, they are super bright. So let me show you. So I'm gonna do the grand reveal now, and I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks for sticking around to the end, guys. I hope y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. It helps grow the channel, helps build it up so I can make better content for you guys. And sorry it wasn't a full explanation video. I didn't show you every detail. It gets too dark now. It gets dark around 5:30 instead of 8 or 9. So I have less time in the day and I don't have a shop or anything yet. So these leaves, man, they're too bad. But I hope you still enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next videos. I have more coming out. I already have the supplies. I just got to install it. So I hope to see y'all in the next video. Have a good day. Yeah, I'm so fast at this now. Make sure you always have your zip ties, especially when you're bumper, because it's the #1 thing you'll need, or else you can't go fast. Hey guys, thanks for sticking it out this far.